Bro, ang dami. Good morning, guys. Going to garden. Find something to eat. That's life. Yes. Wow, see banana? Good morning, guys. This banana is from Philippines. Yeah, Daddy, this is order this in from Philippines pa. Yeah, he love Filipino. Daddy love Filipino. Yes. Even the banana from Philippines, you see? Oh, that's really love Filipino people. So support.
So Filipinas must support this channel.
Yeah. That is how Daddy love Filipino. So this is the all banana. This is from Philippines. He order from Philippines pa.
Yeah.
Yeah, really true. It's not kidding. That is how to love Filipino. Support. Even banana. He support banana, see? Because they said the banana is so yummy from Philippines. See, so enjoy. See, oh,
Wow.
so happy pa. Oh,
Yo. Yeah.
really true man. Yummy ang Filipino, right, Daddy?
So big, eh?
So big the Filipino, di? Filipino ka no, so yummy. Oh, see?
Ow.
Oh, oh, yes. So that he love Filipino. Because he always, oh. Okay. Oh, Filipinas.
Come on, Filipinas.
Banana from Philippines. This is from Philippines, really. Daddy, yun, order na pa dyan sa Pilipinas. Na banana. Yeah, see?
Banana
How
Filipinas.
this is from Philippines. That's really love from Philippines. Wow, see ang corn? Paco also, see? This is all native. Dami. Yes. Corn also, see? You want eat corn, cannot finish also. My mouth pin. Pin to complain to it, see? Yeah, a lot. Okay. I give them some. This is all good also. I give to my friend some of the corn because cannot finish also to eat. And then you see the banana? That's really love Daddy banana from Philippines. See? Hi, people take already so pa. Oh, fall down. Yeah. Hey, pull down. Yeah, take and then give some to the all of them.
Mr. Bladu one?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
Take. She pulled down already. I give to my friend.
Hello, friend. This is super big banana, friend.
Super big.
Goreng pisang banana.
Goring pisang. Sis, show them Wait, di. Super big banana.
Oh.
You see? Wow. That's really I give to my friend some because cannot finish to eat also.
This man like Filipinas, super big one.
Yes, I like big.
You like big?
Big and long.
Wow.
So ow.
Oh,
Yeah.
So you like ow?
I will.
Ow.
But you like ow also.
What to do lah? Ow.
So I give to my friend some.
So that become ow. So
The ow also.
okay. Wow. How to carry?
Oh. It's good lang na-go down to da. See?
Oh.
Super big.
Wow. Super giant, eh?
Yes.
Oh,
That's
yo.
That's Daddy
Hot, eh?
Daddy plan super big. Every time she plan,
Super giant.
giant come out. Giant come out.
Giant come out.
Yes. Wow, I like this man. Every time he plant, giant come
Giant
out.
come out. Ayo. How to do like that?
That is our one to daddy only.
Mo, nya.
See,
Wow.
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 Super supportive. Wow, super
Take
yaw.
photo, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh.
Wait, I think. Kami ang these people non-stop doing looking for the food every day now. No, it's not good, sweetheart.
Yeah, that's good. That's wait. You see another one?
Yeah, that one is good.
No, it's like that, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's like that. You don't know? Pinas don't know?
No,
Come on, Pinas. You
Pinas
know
is expert this one, sweetheart.
This one.
Because this is the food from, this is Pinoy like to eat also. They said, how come then you know how to make it, get the bamboo shoot? You don't know you're expert. They don't know you're expert than them. This is the one plant, this one, you see? It's not get 1 year that, right?
Yeah.
And then you can eat already, see? Because he know that I love labong.
Yeah.
So he planned for me. Yes, I give that. So he try also your labong. That's good already. That's enough. Superman dyan na
One,
scary mo. 3, that's
two.
good. Yeah. Scary man to ko inside that. That's a lot inside that side. A lot labong but scary. See? Later on got snake. I'm not scared to the snake because
1, 2 come up.
okay. And then we give some
1, 2, 3. 3 come up.
okay. That's okay already. That's for one cook one already. See? Oh. This is really plan dalabong for the food. It's not stealing other bamboo already. You have your own plant. You are not scared. You can take
Straight
your
from
own
the farm. Ay, miding uso na eh.
meeting na.
This one.
Yeah. Don't take out. Puka again. Strike to puka.
Strike.
Yeah.
I hope good. Yum.
That if
Oh,
not, don't force it. Because mga 6 months para mo. Kami no need ra because a lot ang the oh, why like that? Super strong wind eh. Ay, if we clean this one, a lot work again. See? A lot of yucca, banana, corn, ang taro, here already everything.
Oh, no yet.
Not yet, it's okay, don't need. Because of the rain. You try other one? That's sticky nga, tapioca, that's yummy. Eh, wow, that's good. Because the soil is soap. Actually, the tapioca is only 6 months and you can harvest. See, a lot banana. Taro gid alat gabi. The purple para. Wow. I think I get some also for us because I love to eat that one. Right. Hindi. You get some because I want to that also to make for us. You pull too. See, may plan man kami nga coconut. Mo si daddy ka dya. She never go out, hang out with friend, or he smoke, or he drank. He just do work only. She never smoke, or drunk, or hang out with friend. Yeah. She's only stay home, land ala, work nga work.
Oh, rutan eh.
Rotten? Okay ra.
Oh, wala.
Good gani ra gin take out mo na lang. That's why he a lot plan. Because he never sleep pa after noon ra. Just do and then until become tired. Wow, that's big one. Wow,
You like big?
I like that one. So long and big.
This spinach like big.
I like that one.
You like that big?
Like that. Wow, that's super Monday. Okay, that's enough. You give din three only. That's three big. This is enough also. Even the boiled lang ra. Yummy, that's a lot.
Taro? You want taro?
Tapioca. This is mga plant. Tapioca, banana, ang gabi, taro. Ang taro pa, violet ra. See? Corn pa, may pako. Everything is here.
Everything.
Okay.
Come here. Salamat.
You don't make it problem. You don't make it problem about food. Because you don't feel hungry. Because if you feel hungry, you go down here and then you get what you want. No spend money. That is the biggest. Ano ba? I cannot see anything.
Yeah.
Okay. Over here.
Oh.
See, may Chinese malunggay. Wow, this is too much. Ano also? Too much grass. Because of the reels.
So green because of
See, wow. This one is Chinese malunggay. A lot. See? See ra? Yes. This is a good. See, bala. This is the Chinese malunggay. You see? Super green. See? You see the Chinese malunggay? Ang corn a lot. Nobody want to eat now. Hi. See? See ang Chinese malunggay? Yes. Super green. Ang kamuti. You love to eat kamuti. I have a lot kamuti. See? See? Ang aman nga. Gabi. Daddy harvest gabi. You see how big that one? And gladi. That's purple one. See? Doesn't care. Daddy, you don't take out the leaves. You know what? Filipino want to eat that leaves. Yeah, super good ra you put the
No, no.
ano,
You want to
laing. Ito laing. I really want to eat that one, Dad. I want to really try. But I only want to eat. So I'm lazy na. See? That's big. That's purple one. I give to my friend. Share because can eat also all. Ang dying lang. See, may banana pag ito hanging. See?
Yeah.
Share is good. But I cook lunch first, da. I cook lunch first before you go, okay? Sira? Uploading na lang? No, it's still good, sweetheart.
Wow, super big here.
Super big. Should
Super
be.
big. Pilipinas like super
Wait.
big.
Love monster.
Huh?
That's
You like
I
monster?
want. That's I want really monster.
Wow, you so out.
I like ow.
You like out? Wow, you so out.
You really know how I
Ay.
ow. Really
Come on,
ow. Oh, see how big it is?
Oh.
Hindi mo mag-ow karay. That's how the big it is.
Oh, na.
This is Gabi. Super.
Oh,
I
yeah,
think
yeah,
over
yeah,
1 kilo na, Dada.
Kilo.
Show them ay.
Okay.
Okay, that's
It's a
enough.
kilo.
That's too much.
Too much.
Okay,
Too
that's
much
enough.
now.
It's a lot already.
Yeah.
Try pa, the other
Yeah,
one,
yeah, yeah,
fruiting.
yeah. You
Ay,
like ow?
grabe.
You like owl?
I like it.
Oh, you like owl. Okay, come here, owl.
Super. You pass this for me. I want to share them also. Zero. I start next week. Start planting again. So that a lot food again.
You like owl?
I like ow.
Oh, okay, owl.
Come here. You make me ow already. Come here now. A lot mosquito. You make me ow. A lot mosquito.
See here, owl, so big.
You make me ow already.
No, owl
Oh,
na
that is big.
big. Super
Big
owl
it
you.
again.
I told you, you owl.
I like this owl. Oh,
Yo.
careful da. Don't
Yeah.
make it cut.
Just fine.
I want make it
Ow.
blow.
Yo.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, big. So owl this. Owl na.
Okay, come here.
Wow.
That's too much owl.
Yeah, so na. Again na, plan some more.
Okay, plant some more.
Yeah, owl. 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 Yan na.
Plant some more again.
You will finish. Don't worry.
Yeah, I know, never finish this. Is there other side a lot also? Grabe.
Yo.
Okay. Ay, nobody eat. That's why.
So give for free.
Give for
More
free.
will come.
Yeah.
Okay na.
That's always tell me, Daddy. Give free. But sometimes I need money also, so I sell.
This
Daddy
mama
said,
always like
Daddy said, no, just give free.
Give
I
free.
said, no, I need money too.
No. Just
I
give
so
free.
I sell.
More reward will come. Yeah.
I sell.
You carry this. I carry banana. Sorry.
Oh, super much. Okay, go.
Ayaw, so baby.
So heavy. You can just keep there. I carry. Okay, get the
Ayaw.
banana. Sira, how a lot it is.
Ayaw.
Daddy, you
Sabi
give
niya,
me this in FB, ah. In Facebook. I want to
Ayaw.
share them also.
power.
That is how big the
Big.
gabi here. I'm not kidding. Super
Yeah.
big.
Super big. You kilo next scale.
Okay.
Ayaw, aw na.
Wow.
Okay, aw. Okay, stop.
You get the banana.
Stop. Go na. 1, 2. Oh, wow. Wow, giant this one. Okay, go.
Go. So funny this way.
Oh, super heavy this one. Monster, 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 monster banana. Oh, 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 oh. Maybe 20 to 30 kg.
Oh?
Yeah, I think so. Yo, yo.
How to eat that one?
Monster.
Okay. Difficult to kill. See corn again.
Oh, oh.
Good harvest. Okay. I'm so... Good harvest. Kiri na ba? Yes. Okay. Okay, no more. The house now is super messy.
Scale man, let's see. How was?
That's over kilo api. That's over 20, Dada.
You see, focus.
Yeah,
Ini.
over 20 eh?
Oh,
Oh, 21.
oh.
Over sa kilo. That, ano pa ako, nataro.
Yeah.
15.
Yeah, doy. Oh, enough.
You see there how big that pako, the taro. Yeah, taro. Yeah,
Monster,
how,
monster.
Yeah, how big that is.
Purple taro, keladi. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, see how big
This
it is.
man like monster. Monster. They like monster. Pinoy like monster. Pinoy like
Every time we
monster.
plan, I need
Yeah.
needs monster come
Yeah.
out.
Monster.
I'm not happy it's not monster.
Yeah. Nah, all from garden.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
all from
good,
the
good.
garden. Thank you,
Yeah.
Lord. Okay, I cook lunch now.